So now I'm going to tell about types of keys. Okay, so what are the keys? What is key? So key is an attribute of any entity set which uniquely identifies any instances of the entity set. Okay, so now there may be many types of keys in a database. So first is primary key. So what is primary key? Primary key is the simple uh, key that is simple, like employee number or roll number of a student. So these are the uh, attributes which we can take as key, which will uniquely identify the particular instance. Okay, so or object. So in that case, that is called primary key. Okay, so that key is primary key. So what is then super key? Another type of key is super key. So what is super key? Super key is an additional attribute which can be added to the primary key, and still it is uniquely identifying the object. Then it is called super key. That means more than one attribute is there in the key, so that is called super key. Okay, so third type of key is candidate key. Okay, so what is candidate key? Candidate key means when the combination of attributes uniquely identify the instance, then called candidate key. That means one key cannot identify uniquely. Okay, then we can take more than one attribute in that case to uniquely identify that object. Okay, that instance of entity set. So in that case, that is called candidate key. Okay guys. Okay, so now the fourth type of key is called alternate key. Okay, so fourth type of key is called alternate key. So what is alternate key? When more than one attribute candidate, that means the previous one was candidate key. Okay, so when more than one candidate keys are there or exist inside any database, then one candidate key is taken as the key and as the primary key, and others, the other candidate key are called alternate key. Okay, so the another last type of key is secondary key. Secondary key is an attribute or combination of attributes that may not be a candidate key. That means that can be cannot be, can be, or cannot be a candidate key. Okay, but that classifies the entity set on a particular characteristic. That means on a, suppose the department. So departments are different for the employees. Okay, so if we are telling one person is from that department, that means we can we can identify that employee by uh, their departments. So in that case, that type of key is called secondary key. That is not a primary key, that uniquely may not identify that person, but can identified by its department. So in that case, that is called secondary key. Okay guys, thank you.